If Audacity is showing error code 9997, don't worry, this usually means your audio device and Audacity are speaking different sample rate languages, and the fix is usually pretty simple. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Audacity error code 9997 step by step so you can get back to recording without the frustration. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and helpful guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Audacity on your computer. Once Audacity is open, go to the audio settings and look for the project's sample rate. This is one of the most important settings because it controls the rate Audacity is trying to use for your recording session. In most cases, the common values are 44,100 Hz or 48,000 Hz. If your project sample rate is set differently from your device, that mismatch can trigger error code 9997. So here's what you want to do. Check the sample rate currently selected in Audacity and then compare it with your operating system's sound settings. On Windows, open your sound settings, go into your input or output device properties, and look for the device format or sample rate option. On macOS, you can check this in your audio device settings as well. The key is to make sure Audacity and your audio device are both set to the exact same sample rate. If Audacity is set to 44,100 Hz, your device should also be set to 44,100 Hz. If Audacity is set to 48,000 Hz, then your device should match that exactly. This step solves the problem in a lot of cases because the error is usually caused by a mismatch between the software and the hardware. Think of it like two people trying to have a conversation at different speeds. They're both working fine on their own, but they can't communicate properly until they're synced up. Now, if you are using virtual audio software like Voicemeeter, virtual cables, or any kind of audio mixer or routing tool, this could also be the source of the problem. These tools often force a specific sample rate, and if that rate conflicts with Audacity, you may keep seeing error code 9997 no matter what you change inside Audacity. In that case, open the settings for your virtual audio software and check its sample rate as well. Try to set it to match your Audacity project sample rate and your system device rate. If you don't actually need the virtual mixer, another good option is to temporarily disable it and test Audacity again. After syncing the rates, close Audacity completely and reopen it. Then try recording again or try opening the audio device you were using before. In many cases, Audacity will now recognize the device correctly and the error will be gone. If it still appears, go back and double check every audio device involved, including your microphone, speakers, and any virtual audio routes, because one mismatched device can still cause the same issue. Also, it's a good idea to restart your computer after changing these settings, especially if you are using Voicemeeter or virtual cables. A restart can help reset the audio system and make sure all the new sample rate settings actually take effect. That small step often makes the difference between an error that keeps coming back and a clean recording setup that finally works. So to recap, the main fix for Audacity error code 9997 is to make sure your project sample rate in Audacity matches your operating system audio device settings exactly, and to disable or adjust any virtual audio tools that may be forcing a different rate. Once everything is synced, Audacity should stop complaining and your recordings should work normally again. If this video helped you solve the problem, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Audacity fixes, troubleshooting tips, and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.